Hello guys, and welcome back to this new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 98, yes, Windows 98 in your Android device. So let's start. First of all, go to Google Play, then search for Win 98. Now here it is. Make sure it belongs to LRsoft, guys. Now click install. It's just 1 megabyte. Now click open here. As you can see here is how to use the mouse. You can read it and after click got it. It's working perfectly, guys. As you can see here, we have games, we have computer, my document, Windows Media Player, as you can see, and even bands here. Okay, let's open this. Here you can select the game difficulty that you want. Now let's try to play it. As you can see, guys. Now let's open this band. Let's try to write my YouTube channel name. As you can see, it's smooth and it's easy to control, so don't worry. You will get old memories when you try it. And let's check the internet. Let's search for my YouTube channel. As you can see, let's open this video for example. I hope it's working. What? Oh, okay, it's working. As you see, it's very easy to use. Okay, let's check what is here. App source, services, startup, it's empty. Okay, games, internet doors. Now let's try to open more programs. It's working, yeah. I have never won in this game. Maybe I will win this time. Who knows? As you can see, I have never won this game. So that's it, guys. I really hope that you liked this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos, and see you in next one. Have a good day.